As a nutritionist, something I get asked frequently is to give healthier alternatives to snacking. So what I decided is I'll give you a whole bunch of snacks, but based on whether you have a sweet craving, a salty or a spicy craving, or maybe savory, and also depending on when was your last meal or how hungry you are, try to choose the snack that is most suitable for you. But remember, try to keep your snacks as much as possible less than 200 calories. So let's begin with if you have a sweet craving, right? So the healthier options would be the first most easiest one, which is your fruit bowl. Then if you're really bored of fruits and you don't want to have fruits, then just shift it to a fruit juice or maybe a fruit and vegetable juice. You could also do milkshakes, you could do smoothies. Just make them healthier options by using lesser quantities than making it a heavy breakfast shake. Just put in some peanut butter, some honey or cocoa powder. These are easy options. You can also have energy bars, protein bars, or you can have homemade energy balls. Just make them with some cocoa powder, some honey, dates, raisins. You could also have a bowl of fresh fruit mixed with some seeds, or you could also have a handful of dried fruits, some dates, raisins. You could have dark chocolate. Now dark chocolate, just remember, the higher the percentage of cocoa, better it is. So try to choose something that's 75, 80 or higher percent of cocoa. But if you really want that sweet tinge, then you can go lower, maybe 60, 65%, but still higher is better. You could also make some chia pudding. Now if you're used to seeing a lot of my posts, you might be aware that I order quite frequently from a company called Nutty Yogi. They also have a huge variety of snacks, and some of them towards the sweeter side is the smoked caramel makhana. It's really nice. They have a fruit and nut trail mix. If you don't want the fruit, then just choose a plain trail mix. Then they also have honey cinnamon almonds. So they have a great variety. Now coming to salty and spicy, there are so many options there as well. You can make homemade chaat. Just pick some puffed rice, add in some vegetables, chaat masala, add green chili, some lime and salt. Depending on your spice or salt, just change the flavors. You can also make some sprouts, some green gram sprout salad, and you can make a sandwich, you can make a roll, a paneer roll, egg roll, chicken roll. These are good options. Add in some spicy sauces. Just a good hard-boiled egg or even an omelette is a good choice for a snack. You can make some vegetable sticks, and with a dip you can make homemade hummus, you can make guacamole, and hummus you can also do different flavors. Maybe add in some bell pepper for that spicy effect, or add in some beetroot to make beetroot hummus. And talking about Nutty Yogi, again, they have so many choices. So among the spicy side, there is peri peri almonds. There's a sriracha nut mix, which is a mix of nuts and seeds. There's Thai chili almonds. And coming to the salty or savory sides, they have many varieties of chips alternatives like ragi twisters, soy twisters, and then another common snack which a lot of people have is makhana. So they have plain makhana. You can also make them at home. There's roasted makhana. They have peanut butter makhana and sour cream and onion. So they have various flavors. You should definitely check it out. And something that a lot of people also have at home is kakra. Right, so you might eat one kakra and might feel that I want one more. So instead of taking 2 kakras, so Nutty Yogis has kakra which is really like small coin or a little bigger size, but you can have at least 5 or 6 of them, and that's quite good. They have ragi kakra, tapioca kakra. So these are the different snacks I can think of, but if you can think of any more, please drop them in the comments. Something as simple as just an idli sambar, or even half your dinner or half of any meal is as good as a snack. So the quantity is what is important. So if you have any more snack ideas, please drop them in the comments. But if you want to buy snacks and don't have time to make them, then please go check out the Nutty Yogi website, because I personally love it, and that's where I order most of my snacks from.